Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with some major developments into the heist which took place in Mandeville, Manchester Friday. Investigators are convinced the daring attack was facilitated and participated in by inside agents and former employees. They are probing several leads and pursuing multiple suspects along those lines. The details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
A security guard attached to Beryllium Security Company has been listed as the prime suspect in the daring robbery in Mandeville. The guard is said to have been part of the drop-off team. According to investigators, one of the alleged gunmen has also been identified as a former security guard attached to the company. We understand that 5 other persons are being questioned in connection with the incident. 2 are said to be employees of the bank, while the others are attached to the courier company. It is reported that about 6 p.m. Friday, security guards employed to Beryllium were transporting 4 bags of cash on a trolley when they were attacked by armed men. One of the guards reportedly challenged the men. The guards retreated and the robbers made off with 2 bags containing an undetermined sum of money. A policeman who was also nearby also challenged the gunmen as they made their escape. The police say 6 people turned up at the Mandeville hospital with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The guards escaped without injuries. A relative of one of the injured civilians spoke with our news team.
She was in the line in the bank collecting her PRSP with some other friends. And them say the security guards say clear the way, and then they start hear big gunshots out fire. These guys need to get some work. They need to get some work. Trust me, they need to do better and stop make people have to go through all of these problems. I just sick and tired of this.
But within hours of the attack, the police went on the counter-offensive and they captured the driver of a car believed to be the getaway driver involved in the robbery. The driver was captured Saturday morning during a police dragnet along the 4 Paths main road in Clarendon. It is understood that several magazines containing live rounds and a ski mask were found inside the Toyota Wish motor vehicle, which was intercepted about 1:30 this morning. The police reportedly seized 1 9mm magazine containing 25 9mm cartridges, 1 M16 spent casing, and 2 7.62 rounds for the AK-47 rifle in the vehicle. Other items were also seized in the vehicle. The driver, said to be a resident of Clarendon, is to be questioned. It is alleged that he is a member of a criminal gang. In the meantime, Beryllium Limited says it is working closely with the police in the investigation. In a statement, President of Beryllium Limited, Andre McLean, urged members of the public who may have information about the robbery to contact the police. Beryllium has not revealed the sum of cash stolen by the robbers. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.